Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can move the taskbar from right here, put it to the side right here, put it to the top and all of that. Yeah, so down here, down that the taskbar, right? So what you wanted to do, you can put the cursor right in between here, right click. If you notice, it's sure that the taskbar right here is locked. You can click your taskbar setting, right, and actually enter into this particular section, right? There's another way in which you can actually reach it. You can click right here, the startup menu. When you click on the startup menu right here, then what will come up with this is the settings. They're going to click on the settings. Now when you click on the settings, it will show you all different type of settings right here. You're going to come right over here, sir, to personalization. You're going to click on it. So this is another way you can actually get it. You're going to come out here on here, sir, and you press taskbar. That's the same. Now when you press taskbar, now this is what come up, right? So you're going to scroll up like by coming over here to your right. Scroll up. Right, scroll up. Alright, let me go up back a little so we can actually see what's taking place right here. Alright, take a little time, go back up. Alright, so if you notice right in here, it's a taskbar location on screen. If you notice presently, it's actually on the bottom. So if I come around and click down arrow, alright, I'm going to click on the right. Now when I click on right, if you notice, it actually come over here so far. If I come back right here and I click on left, you notice the taskbar is right over here so far. If I come right back and click on down arrow and click top, you notice the taskbar is right up here in the top. So if and when you don't want it at the bottom of the screen, you can also do the adjustment. Right, and I'll also put it back the same way. You can come like this and click at the bottom. So this is where you can actually change your taskbar settings right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.